Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
Keeping my son occupied has never been easy. He has a very short attention span, as most toddlers do. But one of my favorite toys from my childhood has been keeping his attention so well. This Mr. Potato Head has really helped me out in the mornings when he gets up really early and I don't really have energy to play yet. I love that he will just sit and play with this for a while because there are so many different things he could do with it. He does not get bored. This has so many different pieces. He loves that he can put the arms all over the place in weird spots, and the glasses he loves to play with too. He just has such a good time with this, and he doesn't get frustrated even if they don't get in, but it's really good for practicing his patience. He loves the stick out tongue face. He loves making faces with it.
If you want to bring back some of the nostalgia of your childhood with a toy that has been around forever, I highly recommend this Mr. Potato Head. My son absolutely loves playing with this, and it brings me back to my childhood. We love it, and you will too, but that's just my point of view.